Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve 2331 evaluate Boolean binary tree problem on Leetcode. Now coming to the problem statement, we'll be given a binary tree of values 0, 1, 2 and 3. As we can see here, it's gonna be a full binary tree. That means each and every node, non-leaf node is going to have one left and one right child. So if it's a leaf node, we're gonna have values 0 or 1, which represents false and true respectively. Means these are leaf nodes, so these values are gonna be 0 or 1. And if it's a non-leaf node like this one and this one, the values are gonna be 2 or 3, which represents or and end respectively. So these values are gonna be or end. Now the node is a leaf node. The evaluation is the value of node, that is true or false. If it's non-leaf node, then we have to evaluate based on the condition that we were given. If it's or, we have to do or operation of the child node. If it's and, we have to do the and operation. Now here we can see there is an and in the non-leaf node, so we have to do the and operation for false and true here, so it's gonna be false. And after this we have to do the or operation for true and false, which is gonna result as true. Which gonna solve this problem, we're gonna use traversal. For that we have to create a function. Let's call that function as a tree, and we will pass root to it. And now if the root value is false or true, we just gonna return its value. So if root dot value is 0 or root dot value is 1, we're gonna return root dot value. Now if it's a non-leaf node, we need two variables, one is left and one is right, and we're gonna do the respective operation. So we need two variables left, in which we need the value of the left node. So we will call tree function and pass root dot left, and we need another variable, let's take it as right, and we need value of the right node, so we'll call tree function and we'll pass root dot right. If the value is 2, we're gonna do or operation. So if root dot value is 2, we will return left or right. Else means if the value of a root is 3, we're gonna do and operation. Now we will return left and right. Now we will call tree function, tree of root, that's it. Here we can see it's a pretty good solution. We got 92%.